Long ago, there was a king named Idhir Shah who lived in the central region of India. His empire was so huge. However, he was so senseless and his stupidity was famous.
Sir, come here.
Yes, my lord.
I want something to be constructed that magnifies the glory of my territory.
My lord, what do you want to construct?
In my opinion, I have a wish to construct an arch at the front gate of my territory.
My lord, your wish will soon come true.
The purpose of the arch was to improve the onlookers morally and provide aesthetic joy to them. The plan of the king was executed immediately. One day the king was passing by the side of the thoroughfare. The king rode down it to edify spectators there.
This is a disgrace to my honor. The chief of builder must be executed.
He decided to hang the chief of builders, holding him responsible. Necessary arrangements were made for the hanging.
Your Majesty, it was the workman's fault.
On hearing so, the king adjourned the proceedings for a moment, then decided to have all the laborers hanged.
Oh Majesty, you did not realize the bricks were made up of wrong size. It was all the fault of masons.
Yes, Majesty.
Summon the masons and slain them.
Oh Majesty, it was the fault of the architect.
Yes, Majesty.
My lord, it was not my fault. You had made certain amendments to the plan when they are shown for the approval.
It seems that no one is having fault. So call the wisest man who can tell the person responsible for it.
The king's men could find out the wisest man and, accordingly, he was brought to the court of the king. He was so old that he could neither walk nor see.
The real culprit is the arch. It is the arch that hit the ground violently, so the arch should be hanged.
It would be very shameful act to hang the arch that hit the king's head.
Postponed consideration of final point, like guilt. The nation wants hanging. There should be someone hanged immediately.
The noose was set up. It was somewhat high. Each man was measured turn by turn.
It is fitted in my neck, so I must be hanged.
Now the issue came up as to who would be the king of the state. The old custom was invoked. They sent out the heralds to proclaim that the next to pass the city gate would choose the king. An idiot happened to pass the city gate.
Tell me, who should be the next king?
Melon.
What? Melon?
Thus, the melon was carved and carried to the throne. The people of the kingdom did not worry about who or what their king was. They only wanted to do what their heart desires. That's all about the story of the melon city. Good luck.
Decide.
Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only a
Oh Majesty, you did not realize the bricks were made up of wrong size. It was all the fault of the sun. Majesty.
चिल्लाता क्यों है बीच में?